Alright, in this video we're going to be making DIY ornaments, something that the kids can do or adults. Let's get started. Alright, welcome to this video and to my channel. Today we're going to be making DIY ornaments using these little plastic cups. Number 5. I think number 6 works as well. Anyway, my mom is visiting. We're looking for things to do. We're sitting around the house. Kids are not at school. And we're a little bored. So this filled our time. It was really fun and exciting. So this is what we're going to be making, and I'll show you kind of step by step how to do this. So go ahead and get out your plastic cup, and you're going to need markers, and you can decorate horizontally or vertically. You can write, you can draw, whatever you want. In this example, I'll put a little Christmas tree here since this is going to be hanging on the Christmas tree. No laughing, please. Plus, I'm doing this with one hand. Got the camera in the other. It's a bit hard to pin it down. Alright, so this is what it kind of looks like. I've got a variety of designs, variety of colors, horizontal, vertical, you name it. By the way, click that like button, subscribe to the channel, do lots of home projects and cool things around the house, saving you time and money, and share this video and this channel with somebody that you know, if they've got kids looking for something to do. Alright, so we'll put them on a cookie sheet with a piece of tinfoil underneath them. And we're going to put them in the oven. That's right. 250 degrees, and we're just going to sit and watch them. Now, how long does it take? I think that varies, but I sat here for about 5 minutes, and this is what they do. How cool is that? Now, apparently number 5 cups don't get completely flat. They're still a little rounded. I read that number 6 cups get completely flat, but you'll have to investigate that on your own. If you want to get them a little flatter, we've got a little marshmallow poker here, and we're just going to encourage them to be a little flatter. Pushing them down slightly after about minute 4 or so. And there'll be a point where they just don't go any flatter. And we'll call that good. There's no rule here that says it has to be flat. And that's kind of neat. And they're pretty much instantly available to touch. They're warm but not hot. Obviously the pan is. Don't touch the pan. But you can take them out like that. And they are pretty much ready to go. Now, as far as putting a little hook or a little bow on the end of them to hang on a Christmas tree, we're going to use a hot glue gun here. And we're going to make got a little ribbon, make a little loop, and then give it a little hit with some hot glue, and just hold it for about 30 seconds, maybe less, until it's pretty firm. It won't be completely dry, so you'll just need to let that cool for a couple minutes, and then boom, it's pretty solid and pretty sturdy, at least enough to hang on the Christmas tree. So let's walk it on over and see what that kind of looks like. Hey, bud. What are you doing? And we'll hang it from a remaining branch wherever we see an opening, and we'll call it good. And hopefully this video has helped you out. Happy holidays.